In this video, we are going to take a look at the Radial ProD2 stereo direct box. The Radial ProD2 is a high-quality direct box designed for stereo sources. It allows you to convert an unbalanced quarter-inch instrument signal into a balanced XLR signal. It features two independent channels with custom transformers to provide a clean, transparent signal. The unit is built with rugged steel construction and it's easy to use, making it an ideal choice for live performances and studio recordings. I have links to purchase this direct box in the description below. This direct box has dual quarter-inch input jacks to plug your instrument into and dual XLR jacks to plug into your mixer. The quarter-inch through jacks send a direct line to an amplifier or monitor. The DI also has a ground lift that can help eliminate ground loop buzzing and a negative 15 decibel pad. The pad is useful for instruments like an active bass that have really powerful output signal. In terms of audio performance, the Radial ProD2 delivers a clear, crisp sound that faithfully reproduces the source material. The custom transformers provide a natural tone that's perfect for acoustic instruments, keyboards, and other stereo sources. Direct boxes aren't fun to spend money on, but if you get the ProD2, you'll never notice it in your signal chain, which means it's doing its job. Let's talk build quality. The Radial ProD2 is built like a tank. It has a sturdy metal casing that can withstand the rigors of touring and live performances. It also has a foam pad on the bottom to keep it from sliding across a noisy stage. The switches and jacks feel solid and reliable, and the overall build quality is excellent. Overall, the Radial ProD2 is a fantastic direct box that offers exceptional performance and build quality. Whether you're a live performer or recording engineer, this unit is a great investment that will help you achieve professional level results plugging your instruments into a sound system. I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching this video. I have links to purchase this direct box in the description below. If you found value in this content, please like this video and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming content. If you have any questions, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer them.